What's up, everybody? It's Erlanger Railfanning here. It's bright and early this morning again. It's currently 5:42 a.m. I just pulled up here to Erlanger on the hill here where I usually stop. I usually railfan at. We got a signal for a southbound on track, the far track over there. Got a medium approach signal, so we're expecting a southbound sometime in the coming hour or less, half hour, maybe less. I don't know when it'll get here. I looked down the tracks, did not see anything yet, but we are expecting a southbound, so that's good. But I think I missed it, but nobody's reported it yet, like up this way yet. I mean, it was the middle of the night, so there's usually nobody up in the middle of the night just to catch a heritage unit, even if it's not off, it's on foreign rails. But we had Missouri Pacific and Western Pacific, Union Pacific heritage units coming through this line sometime tonight, or this morning, I should say. Western Pacific was on 170. It was last reported in Lexington, Kentucky, like 5-6 hours ago, but it could have gotten held up about down there. I'm not sure, and so I don't know if it's gone through yet. But no one's reported it. But I'm surprised that I'm not surprised that no one has, because it's it's the middle of the night. I don't think anyone would be up on a Sunday night or early Monday morning, because people have work. So I don't think anyone would be out, trying to report it and film it, even in the dark. So, but we had those two plus a Kansas City Southern Gray Ghost coming. That might have already went through. It was in Muncie, Indiana, coming this way about 10 hours ago. I'm not sure if it's gone through yet. If it hasn't, that'd be good, because I've not seen a Gray Ghost yet. So that would be a good shot for me. But if those two Union Pacific heritage units have not came through here yet, that would be good, because that'd be a double heritage unit. Two heritage units I've not seen, and they're from Union Pacific. Never thought I'd see one, because they're out west. They hardly ever come on the CNNTP line on NS. So, but yeah, I will be back when we finally get something. I hope it's soon, but you might not be able to see it because it's dark out, completely dark out. I have my headlights on, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'll be back when we get this southbound. It's got a horn. Yeah, gave me a horn show. At 6 o'clock in the morning, he gives me a horn show. I mean, I am wearing all Norfolk Southern merch, so I guess that might be why. I don't know. Man, he's looking at me. That was a funny catch. He gives me a horn show at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's literally 6:09. He went through about 3 minutes ago. But he was literally blowing that horn like over and over again at me. And he was giving me a horn show at 6 o'clock in the morning. There's people sleeping, and he gives me a freaking horn show. That was funny. That was good. I do not know what's coming next. I will be back when we get on their train. I'm probably pretty sure it's going to be a northbound. I don't know yet. I'm going to sit here. I'm not moving. I'm not going to check signals. I may check signals, maybe. But other than that, though, I'll be back when we get something. I'm hoping I get one of these 3 engines that I said earlier in this for today, I hope. Or even foreign power. I'll be excited for foreign power because I like seeing other railroads. on this line. So I'll be back when we get another train. What happens when you move your spot, you'll almost miss one. After that southbound went through, this northbound just left. It was sitting down there at the signal, waiting for that southbound to move. Almost missed this one. I mean, it wasn't nothing special, but still. I think it was two ES44DC 6Ms on the head end. See what happens if I move my spot, I miss something. I know I said I probably am not going to move. I'm just going to wait for a train. No, I decided to go see if there's any northbounds coming after that southbound. And sure enough, when I went over the bridge to look at the signal, I heard rumbling, and I looked down there at the signals. I saw a green signal. I was like, damn it! But no, I booked it down to that crossing, and I got him at that crossing. I almost missed him. I mean, it wasn't nothing special. It was just two NS AC44s. But still, I don't like missing trains. But so now I know I'm not moving spots now. I might. If I don't hear anything for a while, then I might move spots, or not move spots, but I'll go look at the signals. But I will be back when we get another train. A southbound just came on the far track, then northbound just came on this closest track to me. So there may not be something for quite a while, or a little bit, but I'm not sure. There could be one every 20 minutes. I don't know. But I'll be back when we get something. Hopefully something good, but who knows? We'll see. About 2.5 hours. It took 2.5 hours for the next train to get here. I hope things start picking up. The last train that came, it was pitch black dark. And now the sun's up and everything. It took 2.5 hours for that next train to get here. That last train that came through around 6:15. And it is now 8:49 a.m. That is how long it took for the next train to get here. I was like, dang, what is taking so long for these trains to get here? But since that one came through, I'm hoping things start picking up now. So yeah, I'll be back when we get something. Oh, and before we get to the next train, I did miss Western Pacific. I just looked on the Heritage Map. It is in Sharonville, Ohio, so that's gone. Not going to see that today. Hopefully someday I see that, but I don't know about Missouri Pacific. That's still reported in Cincinnati about 18 hours ago, but it could be gone. It could be long gone, but I don't know. We'll find out here soon, I'm pretty sure, but I'll be back when we get another train now. All right, so it's been about 2.5 hours since that last train went through. Good news is I did go check northbound signals. We do have a green light for the closest track right here next to me for northbound. I don't know how long of it's been green, but we do have a northbound coming at some point soon. So I'll be waiting for that. So I don't know if there's a southbound coming as well, but either way, I'll still get both of them, even if there is a southbound coming on the far track, but I'm not sure. But I do know is for 100% we have a northbound coming right now. I do not know when it'll be here, but I'll be back when we get it. We got form power. ES44DC form power. And that's 55G. Alright, so I just looked on the Heritage Unit app. Unfortunately, I missed both Union Pacific Heritage Units, and the KCS Gray Coast is actually not on an NS train. It's on a CSX train, and it's headed to Detroit, Michigan. So all three of those engines I said earlier this morning, not going to see them. Missouri Pacific just got reported in Georgetown, Kentucky. That's south of here. So it must have went through like right before I got here. So it's all right. It's a loss is a loss for me for an engine, but I've been doing decent today. I mean, I caught what, 4 trains so far in the 5 hours I've been here. About 5.5 hours I've been here. I've only caught 4 trains, but I don't know what will be coming next. So I'll be back when we get something eventually. Y'all, I don't know what to do. It's been over 2 hours since that train that had that BNSF on it has gone through. It went through around, it was like 10:20 something it went through. It's like 12:30 right now, and I have not had a train since at all. The crew got into that engine down there in that yard. They turned the light on, but they didn't do anything. They're just sitting there. But I just don't want to take the risk of moving and just like all of a sudden just leave and going to see signals and then something comes through. Like, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna sit here and wait and wait and wait. I have until 7 o'clock. Well, not till 7, but I have until like around 5:30 until I have to get home and get ready for work because I have work tonight. So, but there has got to be something coming. I don't know when, which direction. I just don't know. This is probably one of the slowest, and I mean slowest days I've ever came to Erlanger, and I've hardly caught anything. I mean, they're not working on the track or anything, so I just don't know what's going on. It's a weekday. It's Monday. I thought they'd be getting some decent traffic through here, but I've only gotten 4 trains in the 6.5 hours I've been here. I've only gotten 4 trains. So I just don't know what's going on. But I'll be back when we get something, or if I get any kind of information of what's going on. work or what, but he's pulling a stretch of cars out of that siding. Oh, he's stopping. I think he's just doing yard work. We'll see what happens though. He's stopping, but we'll see what happens. Oh, this is awesome. This is interesting. He's doing yard work. He's moving a lot of cars out. This is cool though. I'm actually gonna say this is worth the wait. This is pretty cool. I'm just sitting here in the back of my truck, drinking a Monster, watching this, him do this yard work. This is pretty cool. I wasn't expecting this. Him pulling all the way out and backing up. And then a steel train, a steel coil train coming up right on alongside it. What I thought though when that coil train came through was the Illinois Terminal Heritage Unit, because it was reported in Louisville, Kentucky 3 hours ago, and it said it was on a steel coil train. And the only coil train that comes through here is 60C. That already went through, but there's another one that comes through, and it goes from Rockport, Indiana to Middletown, Ohio, and it takes like a little bit of the Louisville route, and then it comes up to Cena and TP. And I thought that was it. I thought that Illinois Terminal was going to be on the back of that train, but I was wrong. But I already seen that engine, so I mean, it's not gonna, I'm not like, it'd be extremely thrilled to see it, but but I'm just gonna film him going back and forth, and then when we get more trains, let's hope we do. I've been waiting 4 hours for something, and I got that coil train, and now I got him. We're doing yard work, which is pretty cool, because now I get to at least get to hear some horn and see some action going on. So I'm just gonna video him going back and forth, and we'll see what else comes through today. UP Foreign Power with BNSF in the back. Let's go. Surprised by that lash up. Pretty sick. better. Got to see a CSX, look at that. Man, it's getting better now. I mean, I don't have much time left. I only got about 2.5 hours out here left, but we'll see what we can get for those last few hours. I mean, we just got a Union Pacific leading, an ET44C4 BNSF trailing second, and an ET44AC CSX trailing third. All on one train. 3 different class 1s on one train. That's pretty cool. But I'll be back when we get some more action. I hope it just gets even better. We'll see though. All right, here comes that yard job, but I think they're actually leaving for real this time. He just put his ditch lights on and he's starting to come this way towards me, so let's see what happens. Leaving for near, he ain't stopping. Alright, we'll see what else comes within the next hour, hopefully. Alright, I hear a horn for a northbound, so let's take a look what it is. Sounds like a K5LA, but we're gonna see what it is. Here comes another northbound. I do not know what it is. It's a NS leader. There's the gates. All right, here we go. going southbound, I'm guessing. Well guys, that's all for today's video. It has been a long day, but a fun day. But I've stayed out here for as long as I want to, so I'm gonna head back home and get something to eat and get ready for work tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this video of how much cool stuff I got surprised by with a Union Pacific leader, a BNSF second, and a CSX third all on one train. Was not expecting that, which is pretty cool. But you know, I will be back out here again, hopefully soon when I get the time. I do not know when that will be, but hopefully it's soon. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribing if you haven't already, and this is Erlanger Railfanner, signing off.